In this video, I'm going to show you how this weird little drawing can actually help you start affiliate marketing with no subscribers. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn what this means and how it can help you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to start affiliate marketing, but you have no subscribers. And this pyramid looks weird. There's bad drawings and randomly spelled words. Scribble, chicken scratch on the screen, but this chicken scratch can turn into a full-time income if you know exactly what you're doing. And for the purposes of this video, we are going to promote brain training for dogs. It's a pretty common, pretty popular affiliate program that is offered over on ClickBank. I think that you can make like $31 per sale. And so we are going to use that to A, reverse engineer, B, figure out exactly what people want to know, and C, start making money. So what you see on the screen here is people at the very top, these guys right here, they're happy. They've got no worries. They've got no problems. They're all smiling and they're standing next to each other. Then something happens. Maybe they get a new dog. Maybe, their dog is getting older and now they have problems. Maybe the new puppy can't stop chewing on stuff. Maybe the puppy or the dog is peeing everywhere and we need to fix it. And so that's when people start looking for a solution on the internet. And when they look for a solution, they start typing words like how to stop your dog from. And as you can see right here, people are creating content, how to stop your dog from barking, how to stop your dog from biting, peeing in the house, jumping on people, licking you, having diarrhea, pulling on the leash, barking, and so on. So these are questions people are asking. Now, if we look at this, peeing in the house, that's a problem that a lot of new pet owners have. And if we look here, people are answering this question. If we scroll down, what we're going to do a few things. First, we're going to look and see what our competition is doing. And we're looking for smaller websites. These are all people answering the question. If you are going to create content on how to stop your dog from peeing in the house, you want to make sure that you are reading and reviewing these to see what your competition is saying and doing. If we hit the space bar, you can see there are even more questions. How to stop your dog from peeing in the house at night. Those are questions that people are asking and answering. So let's go to how to stop your dog from peeing in the night. So if we scroll down here, these are websites that are dedicated to creating content for dogs. And what we're actually going to do is we're going to go to page 2 and page 3 to find keywords or find smaller websites that are answering questions that are like this. So I'm just going to click on this. We're going to go to the next page. And while that's working, let's go back over to our whiteboard. All right, so here we go. Right now we're looking for the word how, okay? And one of the solutions will be to present them brain training for dogs. We can do this either in a YouTube video, we could do this in a blog post. In fact, if we bring up YouTube right here, and you don't need a lot of subscribers to do this, you just need to go out and do the research and answer the question. So while that's working, we're going to go back over. The next thing are people, now that they have a little bit more information, they are going down to best. So what usually happens, and this is why it's an inverted pyramid or a funnel, is what will happen is we've got 10 or 15 people up top, we'll say. They start searching. If their question is answered, maybe they go down and they buy something right away. Those that don't have their question answered or problem solved, they're going to move down the funnel and there's going to be less people. So instead of 5 people here, let's say there are 3 people. And this is how affiliate marketing, this is how marketing works in general. You're just going to get your affiliate links from somewhere and you're going to present them in your content. So if we go back here, how to stop your dog from peeing in the night, I'm just going to paste this keyword right here over into YouTube. Now you can do this with TikTok or Facebook groups or whatever. You're simply just going to create content based on what people want to know. People have a problem, you are creating that solution. If we take a look here, this top result, 855 subscribers, 90,000 views. If you're wondering if this is working, if you're wondering what I'm saying is just made up, look at the results for yourself. 855 subscribers, 90,000 views from just 1 year ago. What we can do next is we can actually open up this channel, and this is actually an AI robot. They're not even They're not even in the content at all. They're simply using a robot. In fact, if I open this up, and I'm going to let it play for you for a couple seconds, but you're going to see this is automated. They used Vidnami. Vidnami is no longer around, but they used Vidnami at one point, and that's how they got this done. So we'll get rid of the ad in just a second here, but you can see that this is an opportunity, and this is a real opportunity. If we click on this and we let this run for just a second, in fact, oh, there we go. Okay, so what they're doing is they're using B-roll from like a company like Vidnami that's no longer around, and then they're having B-roll overplayed in text. And if we scroll down here, they're sending people over to, it looks like a website. You could send them to an affiliate offer. Either one of these will work and help you make money. So if we go back over here, let's see, we've done how. Next is best. Now people, if we go back up here, you can see there are different options up here for different ways to stop your dog from peeing in the night. So people are now going to see that there are tons of options. There are 20 or 30 or 50 options. They're going to come back up to Google and they're going to type best ways. Now this is a slightly different keyword because they're slowly narrowing their options. They realize that taking the dog out every night at 3 a.m. isn't going to work for them, but they're looking for maybe a solution that they can give. Best ways to stop your dog from peeing at night. So if we look at this, these results are going to be both a little bit different and some similar. If we look at the previous one here, we scroll up, you can see there are a different in results. And again, you could do the same thing over on YouTube. Type in best ways. And what's going to happen is, once again, we've got 3 people here, as you can see. Maybe they find their solution and then they go down and buy. And as an affiliate marketer, this is what you want to do. You want to create content at each of these levels to help the customer solve the customer's problem. The next thing that people are doing is they've decided that maybe 2 or 3 are their final solution. So they're doing comparisons. We'll mute that again. So they're simply doing comparisons. And if we go back over here, we're going to find a comparison. We're going to do, let's try this one. I'm not familiar with this product, so I don't know if it works, but let's assume, so we're going to, we're just going to copy this entire thing, copy that. And we are going to paste this in just like this, and we're going to type in versus. So there doesn't appear. Let's do this. Let's get rid of that, and we're going to type in that. As you can see, when I just typed in the main keyword and typed in versus, you can see people are asking this question, and you can do the same thing. Let's go back over. Let's do Nature's Miracle here. If you have a pet, you've probably purchased at least 1 bottle of Nature's Miracle. And this is over on Chewy.com. You could be an affiliate for Chewy.com. Nature's Miracle. We're just going to copy this entire thing just like this. Copy that. And we are going to paste this in again. And we're going to type in versus. And you can see that people are answering this question. All right, so if we scroll down here, you're going to see people are asking the question. What's the difference? Which is better? Which is worse? What actually helps? And once again, you can do this. We'll do Nature's Miracle versus, I think it's just called urine. Let's do that. So we'll just get rid of this, just like this. Delete that a little bit. And look at this. Nature's Miracle Stain and Odor Remover versus Urine Destroyer. If we just click on this one, again, these are simple comparisons between the two. And once again, we could go copy this, just like that. And we're going to go over to YouTube and we're going to paste this in again. If we look at videos here, I wanted to look at this real quick. So as you can see, they've created a bunch of videos about how to stop your dog. But if we paste this in, hit enter, you're going to create this type of content. Now, all of these are basically how-tos, and this is something that you could do too. You could actually do how-to for individual products. People are doing this all day, every day. If you've ever seen a how-to video on ClickFunnels, this is what they're doing. If you look, Nature's Miracle only has 765 subscribers, 35,000 views. But if we look at this, Honest Pet Carpet Cleaner Review, Nature Miracle versus Folex, so on, 7.4 thousand views from 3 years ago. People are answering and asking these questions, and you could put your affiliate links in the description. And again, you could do the same thing with a Facebook group or TikTok or Instagram, where you're comparing the two and you're actually providing a solution. If you're answering questions, you're solving problems, people are going to click on your link. Now, if we go back over to our inverted pyramid, we've done X versus Y. People will also be looking for alternatives. So maybe Nature's Fury or Nature's Miracle alternative. So if we go back over to, let's go back over to this one. We're going to copy Nature's Miracle alternative, and you should see a bunch of people that are creating content. Nature's Miracle alternative. As you can see here, we click on that, and you can do this with anything. Alternatives to Nature's Miracle. Doberman chat forum. We talked about Dobermans in the previous video. But if we look at this, request Nature's Miracle alternatives, dog training. This is an opportunity. You could answer this question and then link people to a landing page where you collect their email address. We scroll this, alternative to Nature's Miracle. Let's go over to YouTube and see if they're doing the same thing. You could, once again, create content and say 5 best alternatives to Nature's Miracle. If we look at this, how to use Nature's Miracle pet stain. If we scroll down, how to stop your pet from peeing and pooping indoors. She only has 325 subscribers, 21,000 views, by the way. If we scroll down, you can see there are tons of opportunity, and we're just talking about pets. So what you'd want to do is you want to find a niche. In this example, we used pets, how to stop pets and puppies from peeing. Then what we did was we just kind of tried to figure out exactly what our customers want to know, and we based it on these simple words. These are simple, basic words that we are asking and answering every day as a consumer. Now we're answering them as a creator. And what we want to do, the next step, in my opinion, after creating content, is sending people to a landing page to collect their email address. The reason why we want to collect their email address is usually if a person has one question about how to stop your dog from peeing and pooping at night, they probably have a bunch of questions that they need answered. Now you can bring people along this little path for them, this funnel, and you can increase the amount of money that you make. One way to increase the amount of money that you make is, let's say, again, we're talking about pets. You could say one of the ways to help them stop peeing is to offer them treats. You could be an affiliate for different treats over on Amazon. Now, Amazon doesn't pay a lot, but if you are getting 10,000 people on your mailing list, you are going to make pretty good amount of money from referring people over to Amazon. You could start a blog, you can start a YouTube channel, bring people back to these pieces of content, and you can get paid with having ads run before, the middle, and the end of your content. You can also get paid by putting affiliate links in your content. You can start email marketing for free with Aweber. I'll link that in the description if you want to get started with it. It'll be an affiliate link. But as you can see, you're starting to create these different pieces of content, and you can make money. So if we go back up here, the final thing obviously would be to review. So if we do like Nature's Touch or Nature's Miracle review, if we just type in review here, you're going to see a lot of people are creating content. Usually, in my experience, a lot of people will just skip down and start creating review videos because they realize review is one step away from buy. And the other issue when it comes to review type videos is people aren't actually doing like review videos. They're just saying, hey, it's a great product, it works, click here to buy it. If you can provide a critical analysis and ultimately determine that it is the best product, then that's when you should recommend it. Don't just recommend it because people are typing in review and you want to earn a commission. But as you can see here, again, this is a result that we found earlier. So this means there's opportunity. The same video is ranking for multiple keywords. That lets us know that the search hasn't been fully fleshed out. So if you're looking to get into dog training, this would be an opportunity for you. But as you can see here, this is how you would go about starting affiliate marketing with no followers. You start with you start with the end in mind. You find a product, you find a niche. They're, in my opinion, they're interchangeable. You go out, figure out exactly what your customers want to know, and that's what this pyramid is. This is what customers want to know. Your potential target audience wants to know. You solve these questions. You send them to a landing page where you collect their email address. Then you follow up with them with affiliate offers, with more content. You try and help them out. They'll click on your affiliate links, and then eventually you'll start making money. Now that you know how to start affiliate marketing with no subscribers, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.